Welcome to the Art of STEAM, Engineering the Seven Elements. I am Miss Phillips, and I'll be guiding you through how art connects to science, technology, engineering, and math. We'll be exploring the elements of art through the lens of STEAM. This includes observing patterns in science, using technology for digital art, designing balanced compositions in engineering, and understanding shapes and symmetry in math. By the end of this video, you will be thinking like a true STEAM artist. Our objectives are to identify the 7 elements of art, use at least 4 elements to create your own artwork, and discover how art connects to the different STEAM fields. Every piece of art is built from 7 building blocks. These elements are line, shape, form, color, value, texture, and space. Artists use them like tools in a toolbox. Great artists leave clues in their work. Look closely at Vincent van Gogh's bold lines and texture, Pablo Picasso's geometric shapes and form, and Frida Kahlo's vivid color and thoughtful use of space. Art is everywhere in STEAM. Let's dive deeper into the element of line. It creates movement and direction in art. Engineers use lines in blueprints, and in math, lines represent geometry, such as parallel or intersecting lines. Color is what we perceive when light reflects. In science, a prism splits white light into a rainbow spectrum. In technology, screens use red, green, and blue light to create all the colors you see digitally. It's time to create. You'll rotate through hands-on STEAM art stations. You'll choose a station, create and explore, label the elements you used, and reflect on your STEAM connection. Station 1 is the Line Lab. You will create a line monster using at least 10 different types of lines, like curved or zigzag. Remember the engineering tie-in. Lines are used in blueprints to design structures. Station 2 is Shape Builders. You'll engineer a 3D sculpture using only geometric shapes from materials like straws and pipe cleaners. This connects art to math through symmetry and counting the shapes you use. Station 3 is Color Scientists. You will discover how to mix primary pigments to create secondary colors. The science focus is on light and pigments, learning the difference between mixing paint and mixing light on a screen. Station 4 is the Value and Light Studio. You'll practice creating highlights and shadows to make flat shapes look 3D. Architects use shading and value in technical drawings to show light on structures. Station 5, Texture and Shape, focuses on creating squiggle-shaped characters. You will compare rough versus smooth textures and use digital tools to add effects. This ties into the science of classifying materials based on their properties. We have 3 more challenges. Station 6, Space Creators, uses a music app to draw shapes and patterns connecting to math. Station 7, Play-Doh Engineering, turns 2D plans into 3D forms. Station 8, Digital Sand, uses layers to represent geological soil. It's time for reflection. Think about your favorite STEAM activity and which elements of art you used in your project. Remember, every great mind in STEAM uses creative thinking, just like you did today. Thank you for exploring the art of STEAM, Engineering the 7 Elements. Please pick up a copy of the worksheet summarizing the elements and their STEAM connections. Have a great day.